Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our lamp assemblies. Let's go ahead and start removing this lamp assembly. You've got 4 mounting screws. Go ahead and remove them all. Carefully grab onto this. Now we can remove our pigtails. Just go ahead and squeeze onto this. Give it a little twist. You want to inspect your bulb. Make sure it's in good working order. Same for this one. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to get our directional lamp inside here. Let's go ahead and line up our bulbs. It really doesn't matter which one you put where. But if you do look at these harnesses right here, you can see it has a larger little piton and then a couple smaller ones. Looking at the lens assembly itself, you're going to see that it has a larger hole and 2 smaller. Just go ahead and line that up and then click it in. Make sure you lock it. Do the same to the other one. Make sure that one's locked in as well. Now we're just going to take this, we'll slide it in, line up all 4 of our bolt holes, start in all 4 bolts, and then snug them up.